Hello folks! At the Inner Battery 2024 event last month, Samsung SDI made quite a few announcements. First, it unveiled the roadmap for the mass production of the all-solid-state battery. Second, the company revealed that the ASB has a 900 watt-hours per liter density, the highest in the industry. Third, the tech giant showcased the Super Gap technology, which can charge a battery from 8% to 80% in 9 minutes and offer up to 20 years of battery life, and announced that it plans to mass-produce batteries with that charging speed by 2026 and batteries with that life by 2029. Well, Samsung is going to make those announcements and showcase those technologies at another event. Samsung SDI has announced that it will participate in the 37th Electric Vehicle Symposium and Exhibition in Seoul. At this event, the company will reiterate the roadmap for the mass production of the all-solid-state battery, highlight the density of ASB, showcase the Super Gap technology, and restate the timeline for the mass production of the batteries with those capabilities. Every time Samsung makes major changes to the camera hardware on its flagship phones, a few issues come with it. Issues that the company attempts to fix via software updates after the device has gone on sale. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has an amazing camera system, but it's not perfect. Samsung has fixed a few of the shortcomings via a couple of software updates already, and another camera-improving update was reported to be on the cards. However, the next update may face a delay according to tipster Ice Universe. The next software update that brings improvements to the Galaxy S24 Ultra's camera experience has been delayed, at least until June. No reason has been provided for the delay, though it's possible Samsung wants to focus on getting the One UI 6.1 update out to all eligible devices. In May, One UI 6.1 is scheduled to be released for flagship smartphones and tablets that launched in 2022. The previous update for the Galaxy S24 series fixed issues related to white balance, exposure, text clarity and zoomed-in shots, low-light image quality and more on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It also improved image quality on the base and Plus models. There is no official word on what fixes are planned with the next update, and we will likely get the full details only once the update starts rolling out. Samsung's next premium wireless earbuds will be the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, with an official launch expected to take place in the second half of the year. Not a lot of details are available for the upcoming earbuds, but a bit of the mystery is being cleared up thanks to a new certification the Buds 3 Pro picked up a couple of months ago. It appears that the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro case will have the same battery capacity, 500 milliampere-hour, as the case for the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. It's worth noting that this is the rated capacity. Samsung officially touts the typical capacity, which tends to be slightly higher, with the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro listed with a 515 milliampere-hour charging case capacity. The battery for the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro charging case has previously received a few other certifications, but the certification from TÜV Rheinland is the first to actually reveal the battery capacity. The battery capacity for the earbuds is still unknown, however. The Galaxy Buds 2 Pro have a 61 milliampere-hour typical battery capacity for each earbud, and they can last up to 5 hours with active noise cancellation enabled and 8 hours with ANC disabled. The case provides 18 hours of additional juice, and overall battery life on the Buds 2 Pro was not lacking, which we can expect to be the case for the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro as well. Samsung is also working on a sequel to the non-Pro Galaxy Buds 2, though information about that model is next to non-existent at this time. It's also unclear when Samsung plans to launch the Galaxy Buds 3 and Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, whether the two products will be released together or separately, and if either of them will accompany the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 at the company's Unpacked event in early July.